Hello, I'm Elizabeth and this is your planning mentor, and today I just got this in the mail. It's the Simple Paper May 2026 decorative kit, and look at those. I think those are daisies. So cute already. Okay, so yes, daisies. Here's our May cardboard dashboard. You could punch that and put it in a ring or disc, or just stick it in as like a bookmark in your bound book. Like I used the bound planners from Sterling Ink, and then I've also started using the Enjoy Life planner. Here are our numbers and our colored dots. We've got a country blue and a buttery yellow. Very pretty. All right, next we have our calendar, our May calendar. And again, the May is in that blue color. Beautiful. I just love daisies. And then we've got some little bumblebees. So cute. Got some summery clothes, some honey, a monarch butterfly, some teacups, my favorite. Oh, and the teacup has a bumblebee on it, a barrette with daisies, camera, scarf, clothespin, a bicycle with a basket full of daisies, some scrunchies in that color, the blue and the yellow. So cute. We've got some torn washies here with beehive and some honeycomb. It says Daisy Days. Jean jacket with some daisy patches on it. Very cute. Little bee on the bonnet there. Here's our full sheet of torn washi. We've got some monarchs in that one. And then we have butterflies in this torn washi. Here are our postage stamp style stickers. This kit is really cute. Very pretty. I love that blue door. Isn't that pretty? Here's our page with the Polaroids on it. Some more daisies. Some washi. A little journal. Here's our film strip. Another sticker with the door. Some ribbon. A cart, and here are our color swatches. That buttery yellow, kind of a sage green, and a country blue. Some more stickers. Beeswax Goods, it says. It looks like maybe soap. And the daisy cart. May blooms and honey. That's what the sign says. And then we've got some different honey products down here, bee products. There's a nice picnic lunch with some lemonade and looks like cheese. Honey cake, a lemonade. Sandwich, sunglasses. Field with daisies and butterflies. There's our honeycomb again. There are our daisy blooms, clusters. Got some dill in there with it, it looks looks like. Or maybe that's supposed to be Queen Anne's lace. That would make more sense with the being out in the field. Some more bees. Our cancellations stamped. A lot of butterflies in this one. It's really pretty for layering and different decorating. Then we have our days of the week with the slash of blue through the day. I don't know if it's showing up on my camera, but pretty. And our last 2 pages are clusters of daisies, some layered. That's the cancellation already on it. And then our last is the single blooms. Look how pretty. Very pretty. All right, so single blooms, clusters, days of the week, cancellations, some more floral blossoms, picnic scenes, different stickers, our film strip and color swatches, the Polaroids, the stamps, the washi, more torn washi, different stickers, our month, our dot numbers and colored stickers, and our cardboard dashboard. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate any time that you choose to spend watching my channel. I hope that you have a lovely, lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.